There's almost no wrong way to load a Monogram dishwasher. That's because new Monogram dishwashers have 102 cleaning jets, 54% more than any other in the industry. So even closely stacked items get thoroughly washed and rinsed. A unique wash arm adds to the cleaning power of Monogram dishwashers. Only GE has a wash arm that reverses direction, allowing spray jets to hit items from every angle. An exclusive Max Dry system improves drying performance by utilizing a high-output, multi-speed fan. And thanks to LED lighting and quiet engineering, you see brilliance and hear silence.